Hey guys, what's up? It's AB Trades here. We're going to be doing our weekly Sunday stock talk where we talk about the top stocks in play this week to give you an edge into the trading week. As always, we start off with SPY, which is the S&P 500 ETF because it determines where the market is going because it is basically the essence of the market. So if you're looking here, we finally got up above this range. We're finally holding this range between 280 and 281. We've been seeing a resistance at the end of this range 3 times back in 2018. And now a couple times here in 2019 where we got above it, but we couldn't hold. We're finally holding and we're breaking higher. Our first resistance that we're going to watch out for is 291 or 292 with a high of basically 294, right? We're looking in between these two zones as our zone of resistance, our crucial zone of resistance because it is an all-time high. We'll be watching for a rejection at this point. Again, if we get above, we should see a lot of volume coming back into the market, making an all-time high once again, and seeing that final leg up that we've been waiting for. But again, if we get rejected into this zone and we see a massive rejection back down to 280, that can be another possibility. If we want to know what's happening so far in SPY, we can look at the futures ES, because ES opens at my time, which is Central Standard Time, 5 in the afternoon. So if we look here on, we can go down to the 5-minute just to show what's happened so far. We closed here and it looks like we're opening about where we closed, but a bit down. Again, you don't really want to see too much of that because it is like a lot can happen overnight. That's all I'm saying. So what is our predictions on SPY? Well, we're looking for the trend to continue upward. Throughout whole 2019, we've seen pullbacks and push-ups, but the long-term trend is up, right? We're seeing this uptrend. We're breaking through resistance points as we make our way up. We're looking to be long for the week on SPY up into this resistance zone. So some of the top stocks mentioned that I'm going to go through is FANG and Tesla and other stocks like that. So let's go through it. The FANG stocks start with Facebook. Facebook here, we're finally getting to this 175 zone. We put in this doji and we're starting to show a bit of a reversal. We'll be looking for a reversal here on Facebook purely based on charts. But if SPY starts to show that uptrend that we're waiting for, Facebook will also get that push up. Next, Apple, AAPL. Looking here on Apple, we're finally getting that push up. We're going to see it hit above this previous high here at around 197.50. Once we get above that high, we'll see some more volume to start to push up. And again, Apple is following the trend of the market. We're just going up. We have pullbacks, we have times of consolidation, and then we push up and run. So we're just looking to continue this run, especially if Apple gets above. That'll also help SPY get higher, and we're just going to start to see that push higher and higher and higher with the market. So Apple, we're looking to go long eventually. Next of the FANG stock, we're looking at Amazon. Amazon, same thing here, right? We're still going up. We have this huge area of consolidation. We're finally breaking higher, just like Apple and SPY, and we're starting to get these new highs here. We're again also looking to go long on Amazon. Our next resistance point here is here at around 1857, but we're still getting higher here on Amazon, so look to go long on that. GOOGL or GOOG, whichever one you want to do, is Google here, which makes the one of the last parts I kind of skipped in, but we'll go back to that. Looking here at Google, we're actually semi-trading in this range here with the lows of around 1,000 and the highs of around 1,300. We'll be watching to trade range bound into that. So again, we're going long on the week. So we're looking for Google to be long up here to around 1,300 until we see that reversal back down. Again, when I say we're going long, that's our assumption. If we get a huge red day and we're looking to get rejected at resistance areas, then we will see that red day. Seeing that I skipped it in, we're going to look at Netflix here. Netflix is having a lot of overhead resistance here at 370. Seeing that we have some resistance here at 370, we're almost forming this head and shoulders pattern here where we have room to drop down to around 340, 350 before we make that move up. Again, I'm just looking here and we have a lot of resistance. Last time we got in, we kind of formed a double top and we got that drop off. So again, we're looking for resistance here on Netflix. Also looking here is Tesla. Looking here at Tesla, we've been trying to find some support in this zone between 280 and 250. We're starting to find some support after selling off here, and we're starting to get higher. Our first level of resistance is going to be 282, so watch out for that. Another stock that we're watching at is BA, Boeing. We're having a lot of news accompany Boeing on our way to lead to highly volatile trading days in the market for BA. So looking here, we had this huge sell-off, and now we're finally starting to get up to the highs. Right, we had this RSI divergence here, I believe, at the lows. We're starting to get up high, and we have this gap that we need to fill, which is what I've been saying. Long-term, gaps fill 90% of the time. This lower gap filled, now we have this higher gap here that needs to be filled. So in the long run, we're going to see this fill up here to around 420, and then we'll see if we can get that closure and then start to reverse. All right, guys, those are the top stocks to watch so far. FANG stocks, Tesla, and BA. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all tomorrow when we break down more stocks and maybe even some helpful trading tips.